Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to apply pressed glitters, and for this I'll be using Tati Beauty palette. So if you're interested in this eye makeup tutorial, then continue watching. Firstly, I'll start off with eye base. I'll be using this concealer as a base. This is the lightest concealer, so I'll be applying it as a base. First blending it, and then I'll be using this Aura matte shade to set the concealer. So this Aura matte shade is best for setting the concealer, and it also gives that smooth base for further eyeshadows. Then moving on, using Soothe matte shade, I'll be placing it on the crease, and I'll slowly build the color and intensify the eyeshadow. Once that's done, using this Ritual matte shade, I'll be deepening my crease even further. So you need to just slowly start building the color. You don't have to like once for all apply the eyeshadow. So this is the basic eye makeup I'm showing you guys with pressed glitters, which will enhance your eyeshadow with the glitters. So it's appropriate for beginners as well. Then moving on, using this sequin Ritual shade, I'm placing it on all over my eyelids like this, and then making sure everything is blended. The sequin shades are a little bit tricky. It looks like matte eyeshadow itself, and the glitters are not popping on the eyelids, rather it's all over my face. But yeah, now let's move on with the glitter. I'm using this Ritual pressed glitter, and I'm placing it on my eyelids. So you need to press the glitter on your eyelids. You don't have to like swipe it. If you swipe it, the glitter will be all over the place and it won't stick on your eyelids. So you need to make sure you're like pressing the glitter like this, and once you press it, it just sticks on your eyelids and it looks amazing, as you can see right here. And this kind of pressed glitters are super easy to work with. It's so effortless because you don't have to use extra glitter glue, and also it saves time. And there will be a little bit of fallout, which is absolutely okay. Just make sure your base is done after your eye makeup. So here I am done with my base makeup. Now let's move on. I'll be using this Aura metallic shade, and I'll be placing it on my inner corner. It's a beautiful shade. It just pops out and just makes my eyes look so awake. As you can see right here, I just applied it on my inner corner and dragged it to my 1/3 of lower lash line. Then I used Aura matte shade to highlight my brow bone. As you can see, it just pops out and cleans up the edges. And I used this nude pencil for my waterline, and I curled my lashes and used some mascara. So for lips, I used Huda Beauty Trophy Wife. And that's the final eye makeup, you guys. I really hope this video was helpful. This eye makeup can be rocked on daytime with the nude lips, and changing with the darker lip shade, it will be perfect for evening and nighttime party. So yeah, with that being said, I'll finish this video. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching.